in this video we will solve another question of TOC GATE examination questions. So let's move to the slides. So here is our question number 6. So question number 6 says choose the correct statements. We have 4 statements, we have to choose the right statement. Option A, all languages can be generated by CFG. Option B, any regular languages has an equivalent CFG. Option C, some non-regular languages can't be generated by any CFG. Option D says some regular languages can't be generated by any CFG. So let's analyze each statement. First statement says all languages can be generated by CFG. This statement is false. There exist languages such as the languages of all palindromes which cannot be generated by a context-free grammar CFG, so statement is incorrect. Option B, any regular languages has an equivalent CFG. This statement is true. Regular languages are a subset of languages generated by context-free grammar CFGs. Every regular languages can be generated by regular grammar, which is a type of CFG. Therefore, statement B is correct. Option C, some non-regular languages can't be generated by any CFG. So this statement is true. There are non-regular languages such as the languages of balanced parentheses that cannot be generated by any CFG. Therefore, statement C is correct. Here our D option is remaining. So D option says some regular languages can't be generated by any CFG. This statement is false. Every regular language can be generated by a regular grammar which is a type of CFG. Therefore, statement D is incorrect. So after the analyzing all the options, the correct statements are any regular languages has an equivalent CFG, and C option, some non-regular languages can't be generated by any CFG. So these both options are correct statements for this question. So thank you so much for this video. We will meet with another question in another video. Thank you.